multiplexes. There are many sources of entertainment. So they do not necessarily come to cinema, oh my God, we have no other source of entertainment. So because audience has changed, cinema has changed. You no more have to make one of those cliche-oriented Bollywood movies. We did make movies like Khonsla Ka Khonsla, with Wednesday, Maine Gandhi Ko Nahi Mara, and we have an audience for that. Earlier we did not have an audience for that. Today you can release those films in multiplexes and expect it to be a hit. Other changes that have come is we are getting there, I think, in getting more organized. We are becoming more professional. You must also understand the industry status to the film industry is given only a few years back. It was not even a recognized industry. But entertainment business in India is booming like anything. So we will be there. As far as the standard of acting or standard of direction is concerned, I think we are at par with anybody. Apart from that, it's a cultural thing. What an Indian audience reacts to, not necessarily a Western audience or a European audience will react to. Similarly, what an European or Western audience will react to, maybe Indian audience, the kind of movies that have done well are larger than life, American movies, larger than life movies. I don't think the subtle art kind of cinema of Europe or America has made any impact. They don't have much audience for that.
Working in India and the West, what are some of the differences and challenges you have experienced?
Well, to be honest with you, the only actual film that I have done as a role is Bend It Like Beckham, Gurinder Chadda's Bend It Like Beckham, or Bride and Prejudice, or an episode of ER. But my other work that I have done is primarily because I was a great fan of the directors. So in this case, there was Ang Lee, where I did Lust, Caution with him, but I had 2 scenes. But the fact that I was on the sets of Lust, Caution along with Ang Lee was a big high for me. Similarly, a film with Woody Allen. I mean, how many actors in the world get an opportunity to work with Woody Allen, especially if you're an Indian actor? So again, 2 scenes, but the thrill, but the joy and the proud moment for me to be sharing the same set as Mr. Woody Allen was a great moment.
You mentioned some very high-name directors, Yash Chopra, Mahesh Bhatt, Subhash Ghai, Woody Allen. Is there any particular trait of each of these directors that has really stuck with you, and any roles that you've done with them that are really close to your heart?
No, the particular trait that they are very focused. What comes across from working with them is they concentrate and they focus, and their intention is to work hard, not necessarily intention to make a great film. You can't think, okay, now I'm going to make a great film. But yes, I have been very lucky to have done about 9 to 10 films with Mr. Yash Chopra. I've been very lucky to have worked with Subhash Ghai in his earlier stage of his career. So whether it was Karma or whether it was Ram Lakhan or whether it was Khalnayak. I always joke about how Mr. Subhash Ghai elevated me from 35 mm to 70 mm. His movies are larger than life. It depends what the more difficult you make your job, there is a possibility of doing more work. So every director has taught me something or the other, even bad directors. At least they taught me what not to do.
So you have done dramatic roles, villainous roles, and comedic roles. And some of my favorite films like Gud Gudi with Mr. Basu Chatterjee and Shriman Ashik, a film I really like. Is there a particular genre that you've really enjoyed doing as an actor?
I'm surprised that you remember a movie like Gud Gudi, though I enjoyed working it, but it's not talked about much. Basu Chatterjee is one of the original Basu Chatterjee and Rishikesh Mukherjee of so-called realistic cinema, so-called simple cinema. So I had great time working with him, working on Gud Gudi, which is a remake of 7 Year Itch. I find meet in certain roles which have human conflict. You know, that's one side of cinema that I like Rao Saheb, Daddy, Janam, Saransh, Maine Gandhi Ko Nahi Mara, Wednesday, Khonsla Ka Khonsla. And then there are some films which are larger than life. But if you have to really ask me, what do I enjoy? It's very difficult to answer. I love doing comic roles because that way you make a major contribution in the lives of people who are watching the movie in the darkness of the cinema hall. And we don't have very good writers for comic movies. We don't have very good. So we have to improvise. Actors have to improvise on their own. But yes, making people laugh makes me very happy as a person. But otherwise, as an actor, anything where I can dig in my teeth into, I think makes me very happy.
As a filmmaker, you directed Jai Jagdish, which was a beautiful film. I loved it. And you produced the film Tere Sang recently with Mr. Satish Kaushik. And we saw the launch of Anupam Kher Company. So are there plans of wielding the directorial baton again soon?
I would love to. But I would like to make a film which is written by me, which comes from my belief, which has my heart in it. So I am working on few scripts. I have worked on a very interesting script called The Return. It's a movie in English, which is set in New York. It's a big budget film, so I need to get some finances, and I would love to make that film as my next film. It's about a father who comes in search of his son in America. My next release will be Abhinay Deo's The Game, which has Abhishek, me, and Baman, and Jimmy Shergill. Then there is a film which I have produced again with Satish Kaushik called Hawai Dada. It's about an old man, a grandfather who has never taken a flight, and how his 9-year-old granddaughter helps him do that. Then there's a Walt Disney's first Hindi film called Zokoman with Darshil Safari. It's about a child superhero, and that I'm looking forward to it. Then there is a film called Pagla Yamla Divana, Yamla Pagla Divana with Dharamji, Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol. So these are the films. Then from here I go straight to Akshay Kumar produced film Breakaway, which I'm looking forward to. So this beard is because of that. It's an American film, American-Canadian film, and Indian. So there are some interesting projects that are happening.
Is there any particular piece of advice that you want to give to your millions of fans or aspiring students for actor prepares, or those that want to get involved with Pratham?
I come from a Hindi medium school. I learnt ABCD in my 5th standard. So I was very happy and felt honored and proud when I was invited to three to four schools of business. One was IIT Chicago, one was Kellogg Business School, and yesterday I was invited at University of Maryland. And when I met these students over there, when I was talking to them, what I discovered that they are very, very forthright and honest people. So we already have great future because the generation next is much more straight. An example like you're a good listener, which is fantastic. So I learn a lot. Teaching is the best form of learning, especially in acting, because you discover what you know. The advice is be honest and work hard. There is no alternate to it. That's it.
Well, Mr. Kher, I must say that it was a real pleasure speaking with you. It was one of my dreams to speak with you. So thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. And here's wishing you all the best with your future endeavors.
All the best.